Welcome back. So we've started up Harp a little bit. I guess it's Harp Mountain, Harp Peak, I don't know what it's called. So over here we got the South Fork Trail. And then here's where we're going. Here's Dad.
Hey.
And then we'll just be heading up today.
See the switchbacks over there.
Oh yeah. You see those? You can kind of see them there. Switchbacks that go all the way up. That's from the Marston Muktuk Trail. Comes down, and then there's Hunter's Pass right there. But yeah, maybe later this year we'll do something over in that direction. We'll kind of see how it goes. But we'll just keep you updated as we go. Alright guys, so we're just got to the very end basically. Just got the rocky part to attack. Our last onslaught on the mountain. Yeah. But pretty easy going today. Trail's pretty dry, so looks like it's going to be a little slippery coming down.
Oh yeah.
And very windy, so we're probably not going to be up on top for too long.
Look at the views, man, that's gorgeous.
Yeah, great views today. We'll get a view of Hanging Valley Lake once we get up to the top. But we'll head up before we start freezing. Hey look, we're at the top. Wanna go up here? Or do you want?
Yeah, I'll go through.
Okay. So we made it to the top. It's not actually that windy right here for now.
Nice.
Probably will be, but yeah. Check out that view. Pretty nice.
Wow.
This is I think in both of our top 10 hikes we like to do. But yeah, real nice day. Probably get a little time lapse. Hang out here for a little bit, and then we'll head back down.